Okay.
Welcome to Computer Science AS levels, and we are solving the past papers. So, paper number 2, May June 23, Fundamental Problem Solving and Programming Skills. In the previous lessons, we have completed the paper till question number 7, and today we are going to continue from our question number 8. So, let's see. What is question number 8? A computer shop assembles computer using items bought from several suppliers. A text file stock.txt contains information about each item. So it means you are purchasing the computer parts, and there is a one log file. In that log file, you are going to store every item detail or information detail. The name of the text file is stock.txt. Is that okay?
Stock.txt.
Yes. This is the name of the file. Information for each item is stored as a single line in the stock.txt, like item number, supplier code, and the item description. So it is a single line, okay? Valid information is as follows, like item number should be of 4 numeric characters, and the range is from 1 till 5999. Is that okay?
Yeah, okay.
This is your first valid condition. Supplier code should be 3 alphabetic characters to identify the supplier of the item. Like if somebody name is John, so the 3 alphabetic characters will be JOH, like this. So you're going to recognize that this is John.
Okay.
And the third is a description string,
Yeah.
a minimum of 12 characters. It means, let's suppose you're buying a keyboard. So the description of the keyboard must be on 12 characters. Is it okay?
Yeah, at least. Yeah, okay.
A file is organized in an ascending order of item number, does not contain any possible values in the range. So ascending order, remember, your data is in ascending order. A programmer has started to define program modules as follows. So the module number 1 is only alpha. Only alpha is a module in which you're going to call a variable or a parameter of type string. Parameter word. What does it mean, parameter? If you see,
It's like
yeah, it means
yeah, so it's like the main points,
no,
like
no,
two
no, no.
points where
We have function.
basically in which what the thing will happen.
No, if there's a parameter word, it means we are
Yeah,
using function here.
a function.
Okay, yes, function.
Okay.
Okay, it remains, it returns. Look, return. So it's now clear. Return. What is return?
Yeah,
Return is
returns.
used with the function. So look,
It's only in function there.
exactly. So the function is true if the string contains any alphabetic character. So it means that while you're going to write down a function, right? So the name of the function, whatever, it's not recognized here. Name of the function, whatever. So the data type is a string, and the string will be true, right? Otherwise, if there is no string,
Yeah.
it returns false. Is that okay?
Yeah, okay.
About only alpha. This is a module. It consists of a function. Now, check info called with a parameter of type string represents a line of item information. Okay, this is our function. What? This is our function check info, because in
Function.
you can call a parameter, and a parameter is a
Yeah,
data type of a string. So
string.
it's clear. Yes. Check to see whether the item information is in the string is valid. Yes. If it is valid, it is true. If it is invalid, it is false.
Not
I told you this thing. Is that okay?
yeah.
Let's
Yeah.
move on. Okay, write a pseudocode for the module. check info.
check info.
Module only alpha should be used as a part of your solution. Okay, so it means that you need to just call the
Okay.
function check info. After this, you can use or write your algorithm with the help of module only alpha. So in this,
Only alpha.
we have three things up there. What are the three things?
Item number, supplier code, and description.
And you know the condition of all three?
All three of them.
Yes. So what you have to do,
Yeah.
you need to declare the function check info first. Then you need to declare the variables for item number, code, and description. And then you have to use this information by using which condition? Tell me. By using if then else condition. Is that okay?
Okay. So I'll one
Right.
second. So I'll start.
In item number, how many numbers are there? How many
Okay.
characters are there? 4.
There are 4.
What do you have to use here? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What we have to use in this condition? Look, iterative statement. We use loop here. So for item number, you need to use loop. For
Yeah.
supplier code, you need to use loop. And for description, again, no, in description, you only need to use if condition.
Yeah. If statement. Yeah.
Exactly. Okay.
Okay.
So,
So I just want to get this a little. So from item number, I'll basically use a loop, like for example, for or like until, and then I'll make it until
condition
it's
statement.
4 numeric numbers, and it's like in the parameter they have given me, and the same with the supplier code.
Yes. Is it okay?
Okay, I see.
Come on,
Yeah.
try it first. Then I will
Okay.
help you to solve the solution.
Okay. Yeah, I declared the function, so
So first you are going to take the function.
function.
Okay.
Yeah, check info.
Function name is check info, and then you have to write down a new check info. Okay, so what they said up there, look, information for each item is stored in a single line, right? Single line. So you can write single line, or you can write new line. It's up to you, okay? And what's the data type? String.
Okay.
And
it's string, yeah.
It is going to check your data and returns your answer. Okay, so the answer is true or false. So true or false, what is it called? It's called Boolean. So your answer will be right
Boolean. Okay.
in Boolean. Is it okay? Now,
Yeah, okay.
let's move up again. Then you have to write down item number, supplier code, and description.
Yeah.
So you need to declare
and description. So I
item
declared
code.
item number as
What is the data type for item
integer.
code? It's integer. Very good.
I think it's Boolean, 4 numeric character.
Let me check. No, it's integer.
Yeah, integer.
Okay, then supplier code.
Yeah, I
String.
set it.
And description is string.
Yeah, it's character.
Declaration.
Wait, shouldn't it be character? Oh, okay, my bad, yeah. It's string, both of them.
Supplier code, string, declare, description.
Also string.
After this, you have to check first for the item number, right? Okay, so information for each item is stored in a stock.txt file in the format. First thing. Okay, item number, 4 numeric characters. It means that you have to describe an item number for item code. I'm writing item code or item number, whatever. Will be for item code 1, 2, 4. So you have to write down 4 characters.
4, yeah.
Isn't it? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. So unique number for each item in the range. So 001 5999. Okay, if
2599.
item code, item code. Oh,
is
it length. We need to use length. If item code length, yes, is greater than,
the
come on,
length function, right?
0001, yes, and lesser than, come on, 5999, lesser than or equal
And
to,
less than 599. Yeah.
lesser than or equal to.
No, it's I think less than.
So I
Yeah,
write
inclusive. Yeah, okay,
less than.
equal to. Yeah,
So then
okay.
Item code assigns item
Is
code
assigns
plus
to
1. So
item
it will
code
move to the
plus 1.
next one. Yeah.
Yeah,
So first thing is done here.
yeah, okay.
And for. So we need
Yeah,
to
all
use
right.
next item code.
Next
Item code.
code.
Okay. Now let's see supplier code. So again, we need to
Yeah,
use a supplier code, and in supplier code, 3 alpha to identify supplier of the item. 3 alphabetic characters. Okay. For supplier code,
supplier code. Yeah, 1, 2, 3.
assigns 1, 2, 3. If
3.
supplier code length, no,
If
it's
supplier
not
code
asking for
length
the length.
is
3
okay. It's
alphabetic
not length.
code length is lesser. No, it's equals to 3. Then supplier code
Supplier code
is
assigns to
true.
supplier code plus 1.
True. You can use this true.
Oh, okay, okay.
Then we have
Okay.
description. So they're saying description minimum 12 characters. So, okay. So,
Yeah.
okay, next I need to write next
Okay,
with
okay. I get this. So
next
write code. Yeah.
supplier.
Next supplier code.
Okay. Third is if
Yeah. If description
if description
is less than
lesser than, wait a minute,
12.
minimum 12 characters. Lesser than 12.
Now, we'll write if length of description is less than,
If description land,
right?
yeah, it's okay.
Yeah.
Land lesser than 12. They said minimum.
Is less.
In maximum, they
Yeah.
didn't say.
Then output error. Yeah.
Then prime description.
So we'll just write min.
Description.
Yeah.
Then what we have to do?
Description.
Okay, so we only work on alpha. What alpha set? Called with the parameter of type string. Call with the parameter of type string.
Yeah.
So returns true if the string contains alpha. Okay, fine. So return string print item code, comma,
Item code,
supplier code, comma,
description.
And
Yeah.
how many and we need? And
we need 1 second. We need only one. We only used one and if.
how many if we have used? We use 3 ifs.
Oh, okay, okay. We need 1, 2, 3. Yeah,
And
3.
if
I looked at the 4.
and
And
that's it.
yeah.
So for item code instead of
Yeah, and then will we end?
yeah,
Okay.
you can use and, no worries. And function.
Okay.
Yes, and function. So this is how
Yeah,
you will
that's what I was
get
saying.
7 marks. Is it okay? Now, what you have to do, you need
Okay.
to check your answer with this and write it down. Okay? If
Yeah, okay.
any changes,
Sir,
feel free to do the change, because this is not necessary that my code and your code is same. Even this is not necessary. The examiner
Yeah.
code and my code is same, but the logic should be clear. Okay.
Yes.
A new model is defined as follows. Now we have a new model or module. So the module name
Okay.
is add item. So in
Yeah.
this add item, you have 2 points. Point number 1, again, call with the parameter of type string,
Okay.
representing valid information for a new item. Okay, so it means that there is another module, and in that module, we have add item. But did you notice that there is a parameter? Right.
Uh,
So what is that thing
yeah.
called? What is that thing called?
So it's basically, again, as you said, it's going to be a
Yeah.
function.
Yes, very good. But in function up there, you see there must be a return. Did you see return there in the new one, in the new module? There's no return. So what does
Yeah.
it mean? It will be a procedure. It will be a procedure. Is that okay?
Procedure.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
If there is, again, if there is a return word, it is a function. If there is
Yeah.
no
If it
return,
isn't,
but
then
it
it's
may
a
have a
procedure.
parameter, so it is a procedure. So what they are saying, called with a parameter and the data type is a string. It is going to represent the information which is valid for a new item that is not
Okay.
a stock file. Point number 1 is clear.
Yeah.
Number 2, create a new file. So you need to create a new file, new stock. So this time the work is
Okay.
different. Remember the topic files? In that topic, we learn how to create a file, close file, end of line. These are some terms. Okay. So create a new file. What is a new file name? New stock. From the content of the file, stock. So you need to take the content from stock and you need to add the new item
Yeah.
information in the new stock file. So as a reminder, the file stock is organized again ascending order of item number and does not contain all the possible
Okay.
items. Okay, fine. So there is no range like 0 to 5999, whatever. So you need to write a
Okay.
pseudocode for the module add item. So you need to cover these 2 points in your pseudocode, and this is for again 7 marks. So 14 marks are there from part A and B. So first you need to try. Less than a minute is left. You need to join the same link and do try the answer. Then we will solve together.
Okay. I see. I'll try.